Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, chances are you're one of the millions of Americans who rely on Social Security benefits, and I've got some news that's sure to catch your attention. October 2025 has brought some surprising and welcome changes that are putting extra cash into seniors' pockets across the country. But here's the important part. Not everyone is receiving these deposits on the same day, and the Social Security Administration has issued some crucial warnings you need to know about right now. So stay with me, because in this video, we're breaking down everything. The exact payment dates, who's getting what, the scams you must watch out for, and a tool that could save you hours of frustration. Before we dive in, if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post Social Security updates, retirement news, and financial tips several times a week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. All right, let's talk about why so many seniors are celebrating this month. In October, three major changes came together to deliver a noticeable boost. 1. COLA increase already in effect. The cost of living adjustment, or COLA, announced earlier in October, is already showing up in benefit checks. According to the Social Security Administration, the 2025 COLA increase has pushed the average retirement benefit up to approximately $1,976 per month, compared to $1,927 in 2024. That's nearly $50 more each month, which adds up to about $600 extra per year. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. That's nice, but it's still not enough with inflation being what it is. And you're not wrong to feel that way. But here's how the SSA calculates this number. They use the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, CPIW, which tracks costs like food, housing, and medical care in the third quarter of the previous year. This formula is locked in by federal law. It's not perfect, but it's designed to help benefits keep pace with rising costs. 2. SSI recipients got paid early. This month, Supplemental Security Income, SSI recipients got their November payments early. Because November 1st falls on a Friday this year, SSI beneficiaries received their November payment on October 31st. That means some folks saw 2 SSI deposits in October. If that's you, don't panic. This isn't a mistake. It's standard SSA procedure whenever the first of the month lands on a weekend or holiday. 3. Medicare. Part B premiums went down or stayed the same. Finally, there's some good news on the healthcare front. Medicare Part B premiums were adjusted for 2025, and for most people, they actually went down slightly or stayed flat compared to earlier predictions. The standard Part B premium for 2025 is $185 per month, according to the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Since this is automatically deducted from Social Security checks, a lower premium means you're keeping more money after the COLA increase. Put all three together, the COLA bump, the early SSI payment, and the lower Medicare premium, and you can see why October feels like a win for seniors. Now let's talk about the schedule, because this is where people often get confused and frustrated. Social Security does not pay everyone on the same day. Instead, the SSA uses a staggered payment system based on your birth date. Here's the breakdown for October 2025. October 3rd, Wednesday. If you started receiving benefits before May 1997, or if you receive both Social Security and SSI, your payment arrived on October 3rd. October 9th, second Wednesday. If your birthday falls between the 1st and 10th of any month, your payment was deposited on October 9th. October 15th, third Wednesday. Birthday between the 11th and 20th, your payment came on October 15th. October 22nd, fourth Wednesday. Birthday between the 21st and 31st, you received your payment on October 22nd. If you're watching this after your scheduled date and still haven't received your deposit, here's what you should do. 1. Check your bank account carefully. Sometimes deposits appear under slightly different names or descriptions. 2. Wait one additional business day. Banks can have minor processing delays. 3. If it's been more than one business day past your payment date, contact the SSA immediately. Their lines are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. local time. And here's a pro tip. If you're still receiving paper checks instead of direct deposit, switch now. Paper checks can be delayed, lost, or stolen. Direct deposit is faster, safer, and ensures you get your money on the exact date it's scheduled. This next part is serious, and I need you to pay close attention. Scammers are getting more sophisticated every single month. In late September 2025, the Social Security Administration's Office of the Inspector General issued a warning about a massive uptick in Social Security-related scams. Here are the top ones to look out for. The suspended benefits call. You get a call or text saying your Social Security number has been suspended due to suspicious activity, and you must verify your information immediately or your benefits will stop. This is 100% fake. The SSA will never suspend your Social Security number or threaten you over the phone. The increased benefits email. Scammers send official-looking emails claiming you're eligible for a special benefits increase, but you need to click a link and enter personal information. Don't click. The SSA does not handle benefit adjustments through email links. The overpayment scam. Someone calls claiming you were overpaid and now owe money that must be paid immediately via wire transfer, gift cards, or cryptocurrency. Real overpayment notices come by mail, never demand immediate payment, and the SSA will never ask for gift cards. Golden rule. The SSA will never call, text, or email you asking for your Social Security number, bank info, or demanding immediate payment. If you receive any contact like this, hang up immediately. Do not engage. Do not give out information. If you think you've been targeted, or worse, already given out information, report it immediately to the SSA's fraud hotline or file a report online at oig.ssa.gov. Time matters. Please also share this information with elderly parents, grandparents, or anyone in your life who might be vulnerable. These scammers specifically target seniors. The Social Security Administration has created some powerful online tools that can save you hours of waiting and paperwork. Here are the most important ones. My Social Security Account, SSA Gov our My Account, your personal portal where you can check your benefit amount, view payment history, get a replacement SSA 1099 for tax season, update your address, and set up or change direct deposit. Creating an account takes about 10 minutes. You'll need an email address, a Social Security number, and a U.S. mailing address. SSA mobile app, iPhone and Android. Access many of the same features right from your phone. Check your payment status anywhere, anytime. Retirement Estimator, SSA Gov Benefits, Retirement Estimator.html. If you're not retired yet but planning ahead, this tool shows estimated benefits based on your actual Social Security earnings record. It's extremely accurate and helps you plan the best age to start claiming. Benefit Verification Letter. Need proof of income for a mortgage, loan, or housing application? You can download an official benefit verification letter instantly through your My Social Security account instead of waiting for one in the mail. And one more thing. Medicare's open enrollment runs from October 15th through December 7th every year. If you want to make changes to your Medicare coverage for 2026, now is the time. Visit Medicare.gov or call to review your options. Here's what's coming up as we move toward the end of 2025 and into 2026. November and December payments follow the same staggered schedule. SSI recipients will receive their December payment on November 29th because December 1st falls on a Sunday. Your Social Security Benefit Statement, Form SSA 1099, will be available by early February 2026. You'll need this to file your taxes. Remember, if your total income, including Social Security, exceeds $25,000 for individuals or $32,000 for married couples, a portion of your benefits may be taxable. Any changes you make during Medicare open enrollment take effect January 1, 2026. Review prescription costs, doctor networks, and out-of-pocket maximums. And the SSA will announce the 2026 COLA in mid-October 2025. Depending on when you're watching this, it may already be out. The most important thing you can do right now is stay informed. Social Security rules change, payment schedules shift, and scammers evolve their tactics. That's exactly why this channel exists. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. We're building a community of informed viewers who look out for each other, And your comments and questions help us create better content. Check out our Social Security playlist. I'll link it in the corner and in the description for videos on maximizing your benefits, understanding survivor benefits, disability claims, and working while collecting Social Security. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I read every single one, and your questions often become the focus of our next videos. Let me leave you with this. October 2025 brought genuine good news for millions of seniors. The COLA increase, adjusted Medicare premiums, and smooth payment schedules mean more financial security for people who've worked their whole lives and deserve it. But staying informed and staying safe is just as important as the money itself. Bookmark those SSA tools, watch out for scams, and keep this channel in your rotation for updates. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.